Like this. Like this. Okay, hands down. Okay, when I say go, you guys are going to say double, dragon, and then do your form all by yourself as best as you can, okay? Ready, set, go.
Double dragon!
Chicken wing, go ahead, chicken sandwich. Punch. Done. Stand up, please. Keep the other hands by your sides. Bow. Good job, very clap. Come on. You look ready for this. Are you excited? You're a brown belt, man. I remember when you first started. I still have my clothes. Together, push on over. Very good. Okay, ready? Let's do our step out. Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. Ready? Double dragon. Do your form. Ready? Go.
Double dragon!
Stand up. Bow. Good job. Big clap. Good job. Sit right there. Just slow down.